In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Apple Magic Keyboard to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the Magic Keyboard from Apple on your iPad. Now, while it is extremely simple to connect the keyboard to an iPad, you need to be aware of the difference in models, because not all models are going to be compatible with all Magic keyboards. However, the connection is easy because it doesn't rely on Bluetooth or a wireless dongle or any sort of cable. It will be done using magnets. So this is why it's especially important that you get the correct model of Magic Keyboard for your iPad. So you will see that if we go to the official website, they have three main lines: the Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro, Magic Keyboard for iPad Air, and then the Magic Keyboard Folio. If you want to, pause the video and check the compatibility of these Magic keyboards and find your particular model of iPad. So for example, if you had an iPad Air 11-inch with an M3 chip, this is the one that you need. If you are unsure how to check, just go over to Settings, General, About, and you will see the model name listed here. Once you have the model name, then just match with the corresponding Magic keyboard that you need to purchase. If you have the wrong one, see if you can return it and exchange it for the correct model for your iPad. But once you have the correct model, it's as simple as snapping the iPad into place. So you will see that at the back of the Magic Keyboard cover and the iPad, there will be three dots, and these are going to be the pins that essentially set up the keyboard for you, and they should be lined up. So when you position your iPad on the Magic Keyboard cover like this, the most important thing is that these contacts should line up. An easy way to determine if you position it correctly is to look at the cutout for the camera. So it is going to be a square at the back, and your camera lenses should line themselves up with that square. Even if the square is a little bit bigger, that's fine. As long as you chose the correct Magic Keyboard model, it is going to snap into place, the magnets will come into play, and once these pins are touching, the keyboard, trackpad, and everything else will be usable. So you can start testing it, you will see it light up, and you are good to go to use the Magic Keyboard designed for your particular iPad model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Magic Keyboard to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.